The Pig Who Didn't Like Mud. A short moral story. Percy was a little pink piglet who lived on a sunny farm with rolling hills and cozy barns. But unlike the other pigs, Percy hated mud. While the others rolled, splashed, and squealed with joy in the puddles, Percy stayed spotless, standing on dry hay with a frown. "Why don't you join us?" asked Petunia, his muddy sister. "It's gross," Percy grumbled. "I don't want to be dirty." One summer day, the sun blazed hotter than ever. The mud puddles turned into cool, refreshing oases, and the other pigs lounged happily. But Percy, determined to stay clean, stayed in the sun. By noon, he was panting, his skin hot and dry. "Percy, you need to cool down," warned the farmer. Still stubborn, Percy fainted from the heat. When he woke up, he was lying in a cool, squishy puddle, mud. The farmer had placed him there to save him. To Percy's surprise, it felt wonderful. From that day on, Percy was the muddiest pig of all. He finally understood that sometimes, things we avoid might actually be good for us. Moral: don't judge something before you understand its purpose. It might be exactly what you need. Thank you for watching.